This machine, it has to be closer because when you raise a hand it hurts more because current is higher.
Ne diyor?
Elin yakın dursun yoksa biraz çekmeyebilir.
Tamam. Okay. Which part of the lamp, I ask? Pay attention to the lamp. Only part between your hands. Why? So up and down there is air, there is no connection with the grounding. In this case now, your conductor is the steps of your skin. Then lamp goes through the lamp. You are the next conductor, you are the closest grounding, then goes through your skin. Do you feel something?
No.
Do you feel something here? No? Okay. Good luck, switch up. That's a high frequency oscillating transformer. What is a transformer? That's a machine that is used to increase or decrease voltage. The input voltage that we apply to this machine is 220 volts from our electrical grids, but the output voltage of Tesla's main coil is 500,000 volts. The machine consists of three main parts. So there is primary coil, the whole part in the middle is one more secondary coil, and the sphere at the top of this machine, in this case, presents the grounding. How it works? When we turn on the machine, high frequency alternating current, so flow intensity passes here through this primary coil. That current creates magnetic field in the area between these two coils. Magnetic field then generates a current in the secondary coil. Current passes through the secondary coil to the nearest grounding, in this case to that sphere up there. For every circle of copper wire on primary and secondary coil, voltage of this transformer rises more and more. So in this case, our network voltage of 220 is transformed into half millivolts. When we apply that high voltage to the air, leads to formation of lightning or electrical discharge. So when I turn on the coil, you'll see the lightning between this middle part and sphere. When the lightning happens, air molecules between these two parts will be broken into ions. So ions will fill the space-time transformer with electricity. So what does it mean? This main coil also may be used for wireless transmission of electricity. So when I turn on this machine, when I produce the lightning, ions will hit all of you. And when ion hits a person, it is being conducted to the ground because our bodies are conductors, which means while the transformer is working, everybody in this room will conduct electricity. Don't worry. You will be absolutely safe and you won't feel anything. You will be safe because current will not travel through your body to get the grounding, it will pass through the surface of your skin. So receptors or sensors of pain control we have under the surface skin will not be activated. You won't feel anything because this machine has very high frequency. High frequency is pushing very low current to pass, not pass across the surface of any conductor. In this case, we are conductors, so across the surface of our skin. So during this experiment, we are absolutely safe. We will see that lightning up there, but we cannot see air molecules and ions from transformer. And in order to prove the existence of the ions, we'll use the new lens. And now we'll have a short test experiment to see how this system of wireless transmission really works. As I said, ions will hit to all of you. Ions in the same time will hit this new lens. The lamps will shine your hands. That's for you. The lamps will shine your hands while doing this experiment because I have about 20 lamps. I need about 20 of you. One more lamp for this experiment.
Давай я тоже.
А почему эти штучки раздают?
Это лампочка специальная, они сейчас загорятся.
Does anybody here in this room have a pacemaker? In Serbian, da li neko u ovoj prostoriji ima pacemaker? Besides this, it's also the loudest machine here. I produce 3 lightnings. Every time lightning will be a little bit loud, so prepare yourself. I can't control every of them, so you will be prepared. That's 5:15. 3, 2, 1.